Hello everyone, my name is Sima Sharma. I study in class 10 in Girls English Medium School at Bolomjara, situated in the state Assam. Today we are going to participate in Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. The theme idea is groundwater depletion. First of all, I am going to give its meaning and its causes. Its meaning: long-term decrease in the amount of water stored underground, and its causes. First, extraction of excess water. Pumping of water for various purposes like agricultural purposes, industrial purposes, and for domestic purposes. Second, inadequate research, insufficient rainfall, other uses of water entering the ground to replace what we have used. Thirdly, climate change, erratic rainfall patterns, including reduced of monsoon. If there is reduced or delay of monsoon, then there will be less replacement of groundwater.
My name is Daniel Nazari, and today I will speak on the effects of groundwater depletion. First effect: well run dry. Water level drops so low that pumps can no longer bring water back to the surface. Second point: saltwater intrusion. In the coastal areas near seas and ocean where saltwater is found, when the fresh water is depleted from the aquifer, then the saltwater seeps through, contaminating the water supply. Third point: food and water security risk. The depletion of the vital resources threaten long-term food and water security. Thank you.
My name is Dipango Musari. So I'm also going to speak on the effects of groundwater depletion. Land subsidence. Land subsidence is a sudden sinking of the land, which can cause property damage. It is caused due to groundwater depletion and mining processes. Impact on surface water. Rivers, streams, and lakes that are connected to the groundwater can have the water supply diminished. Increased energy use. Wells must be pumped from different levels, which requires more energy. Thank you.
My name is Rishik Bosmatari and I studied in class 10. Now I am going to speak about solution for the groundwater depletion. Since we cannot completely solve the problem of groundwater depletion, but still we can minimize it by the following methods. First point: agriculture. We can adopt or follow various saving techniques like drip irrigation, micro irrigation, and sprinkler irrigation instead of using flood irrigation. Second point: strengthen governance. Government also plays one of the important role for the solution of groundwater depletion by implementing strict rules and policies to regulate groundwater extraction and by monitoring its uses effectively. Third point: alternative water source. We can reduce reliance on groundwater by depending on some other source of water like treated wastewater and desalinated water as well.
My name is Harshita Narzari. I study in class 10. So I'm also going to speak on solution of groundwater depletion. First point: afforestation. Today we used to cut more and more trees for different purposes like industrial development, gym cultivation, and many more. And because of this action, the underground water level is going down. So we should plant more and more trees to prevent this, and it can help in replening soil moisture and promoting the groundwater recharge. Second point: rainwater harvesting. We should try to collect the rainwater in our rooftops or the other surfaces so that it can be used when needed, and also it can be directly joined to the ground to recharge aquifers. Third point: wastewater recycle. We can use back or reuse the water which we have already used or which cannot be reused or drink. We can use the water for non-potable purposes like gardening and industrial cooling. So suppose if the machine is heated too much, we can use the recycled water to make it cool. And recycled water is also used for washing raw materials like metals and also for cleaning the surroundings. Thank you.
So in conclusion, we hope that our ideas will help in minimizing the groundwater depletion problems, especially in our local areas. Thank you.
Thank you.